which I like to most ingredients will be slime, shaving cream, soap is optional, doesn't matter which kind. My solution, I did 1 teaspoon borax in a cup of water. Glitter is optional, and food coloring is optional. I really like using glitter and food coloring because it's a really good way to express yourself. So first you would put your glue into your bowl, and it doesn't matter what glue you get. I recommend using Elmer's glue because it is way easier. You can add as many as you want, but I only used 1 today, so if you want to use more than 1, I would recommend doubling the recipe, which there isn't a certain recipe, it just depends on what you want to do. That's the good thing about slime. It's only really about what you want to do, not about what other people want or what there's a certain recipe for. You get to express yourself by making this beautiful colored slime if you want to. It could just be a white slime. You know, white's my favorite color, so that can also be okay. And I couldn't really get any slime or glue out of that one, so I just decided. So then I would just do a thin layer of shaving cream. That's what I did. If you want to add more, maybe a little bit thicker of a layer, but this makes your slime fluffy, and not just fluffy, really nice and soft and smooth. And then add some soap. I usually do 2 or 3 pumps. It depends on how much you make, so if you want more, just add more. Food coloring, if you're doing red, I do 1 or 2 drops. If you want pinkish, maybe 1. But if there's 2 reasons to do red, you could do red as a different color. You could do any color you want, really. So then we mix it together. Just mix it together. And then once it becomes the color you want it, if you want pink and you want red, just add a couple more drops. This is really honestly just about you. I think I'm a little bit more today because we're going more. So then to mix it, make sure you get it all combined and get it off the sides. And I'm going to add a couple more drops because I did not pink slime. I do like pink slime. So then mix it, make sure you get all the sides, and because you want to incorporate everything so when you make the slime, it doesn't get all extra and everything. So mix it together, and you really want to get those sides because there could be extra shaving cream. And then you're going to add some glitter, and it doesn't matter how much. I use the little thin tip side, so you don't really need that much glitter because you want it to overpower the slime. So mix and incorporate that in. You just want to add a little, and then you are going to very soon be adding the activator into your slime. You may want to let it rest for a minute. You don't have to. I didn't. It's okay. So I added maybe a teaspoon of solution at first. You really don't need that much. And then you just mix it. Make sure when you mix it at first, it gets well incorporated, and then add more because sometimes people overactivate it and it becomes less stretchy and less fun to play with. So I started mixing it here, as you can see, and it's still sticky, so I decided to add some more. You can add some more the second time, since you've gotten a feel for it, you can do whatever you want. And then you just want to go in there and, have fun. You really just want to have fun with your slime. I started going in when I saw the little foam in the bottom. I usually do that because it's easier for me to play with. It still will be a little sticky, so you will want to wash your hands after, but it's way easier if you just go in with your hands once you think it's pretty incorporated. You don't want to make sure it's too wet still because then it will get all over your hands and you'll be stuck and you will get all your sink all messy and then clog the sink, and we don't want that to happen. We have to watch out for our parents, guys. Remember, you always have to clean up your mess too. So then I started incorporating it in my hands, and it still was a little sticky, but if you incorporate it enough, it will get less sticky, and then there it started becoming stretchier and really is a nice slime. And so if you stretch it like that, like I am doing, it will become like way better for you, and it'll be more stretchy and more soft, and that's what makes it really awesome. So here's my slime. This is the finished result. I hope you like this video. Like and comment, please. Also, subscribe to me and go subscribe to all my friends. And go subscribe to Colin's Keys because he is awesome. I love him so much. He's a really great YouTuber and he's very funny too. And I also love Devin's Key. So please go subscribe to them, subscribe to me, hit that like button, and please have a great time with your slime. Bye.